In this video, you will learn about two main MS Word features. One is autocorrect and auto text. Autocorrect is also known as text replacement. It automatically detects and corrects typos and misspelled words. It quickly inserts symbols and any long piece of text. You can also add words to autocorrect list. See how to add word to autocorrect list. Here, one 3-page document available, MS Word document. Some documents, we type the organization name in all the pages. In this case, we use autocorrect. To select the word, then go to the menu button. Click the main menu button. You select proofing. Then select autocorrect option. In this place, we give the short replace word. I am giving AI and press add button. Then click OK button. Again click the OK button. Now I want to give the organization name to second page. Go to second page. Here I am giving the replacement short name AI and give enter. It automatically type the organization name. What is the short form? AI and press enter. This is the use of autocorrect feature. Go to my third page. Just like before, type AI and click enter button. Okay, this is the way give the autocorrect format. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to delete the autocorrect word from the autocorrect list. Go to word option, then click proofing. Move the scroll bar down and search the AI autocorrect word. It is in here. Just click and below there is delete option. Delete and then click OK button. If you want to add AI, then click add button. If you want to delete, then click the delete button. Then click OK button. If you want to change any modifications in capitalization option, then select or clear the first 4 checkbox in the dialog box. To turn on or off the autocorrect features, then select or clear the replace text as your type. If you want the spelling checker, then select or clear the checkbox. At last, click the OK button. Next, MS Word feature is auto text. Auto text is a way to store parts of your Word document for reuse. Are you tired of typing the same blocks of text repeatedly in Word? If you type things often like your name, your school name, or address, or paragraph of text common to many types of documents you create, auto text in Word is your friend. For this, you select the paragraph and then go to the main menu, then click Customize. Here you choose commands not in the ribbon, and here you search the auto text. Where is the auto text? It's in here. Okay, click that and click add button and click OK. Now auto text is appear here. Then save, and here give the name. I'm giving intro, short form intro. Gallery is auto text and category is general, and then click OK. And here you type intro, then press F3 key. Okay, your same paragraph will appear here. This is one method, and another one method is click the insert menu, then go to quick parts, click that and save. Here you give the name for that. I'm giving into, then gallery it's quick parts, and click OK. Now same like that, into and press F3 key. This is second way. Okay, now you understand. Now I hope everyone understand the auto text features. Is it? How to remove this quick part, and then right click on this, and here there is delete option. Click there, and here your into list is available. Click delete and yes. Okay, and again intro. Click the intro from the list and delete and press yes. Okay, now it can be deleted from the list. This is the way we delete the auto text list.